spicy chili chicken. Let's have a bite. Ooh, take a look at all this noodle goodness. Let's try it. Always ordering these thick noodles. Reminds me of my time in Hong Kong. Good evening and welcome to Jakarta, Sunday afternoon in the Chinatown here, the Glodok area. I actually live in Beijing. It's going to be quite interesting to compare this Chinatown with other places. I've also been to the one in Bangkok, but yeah, I've been to real China eating some food, but let's try out what's on offer here. And it's actually the Chinese New Year. It's a lot of cool red decorations in the background. You can see everywhere like lanterns and all these red decorations, but let's go and check out and we can find some nice food. Definitely a lot of cool stuff here. Everyone in the back and different stalls and fruits, both Indonesian food but also Chinese. There are some stores in the background. We'll see if things are open. It's Chinese New Year after all. Most people don't work in China right now, but maybe here we'll see if we can find something. A lot of interesting stuff and decorations everywhere. Yeah, let's see if we can find something. It seems I managed to find some kind of mall here, but with very Chinese vibes, that's for sure. And Chinese style music in the background, a lot of lanterns. See if I can find something here. I prefer to sit outside and eat, but we'll see. Pretty interesting to see all these lanterns here everywhere. Yeah, let's walk around and see what we can find. Oh, hello. Yes, great decorations. Yes, good. It seems a lot of places indeed are closed, but I found this place, Uncle Lee Kitchen, in the background. A lot of noise inside, but let's go inside and check it out. There's a lot of karaoke going on in the background here. Reminds me a bit about KTV nights in Shanghai or Hong Kong. It's actually, I checked out the menu. I didn't really recognize a lot of the dishes, so we'll see. We have some noodles with chicken. Looked nice, but I'm not sure how authentic it is, but open-minded to try anyway. Hopefully we can find a bit more meat outside. Noodles is not really my preferred choice of dinner, but when the sun goes down, maybe we can find some skewers or something. Let's see. Okay, so we got the food here. Supposedly Chinese noodles. I'm not really sure about that, but let's try it out. Chicken and noodles. It's good for you. Put some protein. Very noisy in the background, but let's try it. Look at that mountain of noodles and chicken. Let's try it. Ooh, very funky, a bit like seafood taste, probably some oyster sauce. That is some good stuff. Let's try it. I like the onions. I love how they mix a bit of the bok choy, I think with soy sauce and chicken. Plain, but very tasty. Not a lot of chicken, but well, could be worse. But very tasty. A lot of screaming in the background. I heard there are actually some other Chinatowns, maybe they're better, but this was tasty, so I'm gonna finish here, enjoy a bit and see a bit later. Yeah, after that not so super impressive meal, but tasty, I think I'm gonna continue exploring it. The sun is setting, so it's really cozy with the lighting in the background, so all these lanterns. Can I walk around and see if I can find something more? Maybe I have to go to the other Chinatown, we'll see. I think this place in the background looks a little bit more promising. You see the lanterns there, it's supposedly a tea house. Let's go inside and check it out. Pant Joran Tea House. Interesting, let's see what they have. Yeah, this place definitely looks more authentic. They even have some Yunnan food there, but unfortunately we sold out of the beef, so I'm gonna go with some deep fried chicken, not my favorite, and some shrimp, but get a bit of a spicy. That's how it is. Looks more authentic at least, so let's wait and try it out. Yes, we finally got the food here. For some reason my face is very dark here, but at least the food looks great. So let's try with this spicy chicken. Let's take a look at all this chili hanging from the chicken. Deep fried, let's try it. Sweet and spicy, very nice combo. Then we have the other dish here, the shrimp. Just take a look at that crispy goodness. Let's have a bite. Ooh, it's savory, definitely seafood flavor. I think it's the oyster sauce. Not my favorite spice, but really nice with this brown, nice sauce. It's crispy. Let's have another one. And yes, I'm very weird eating with a shell, but I think I lived too long in China to care about if you eat all the parts or not. Maybe it's not so common in Sweden, but it's nice. There's good vegetables here as well. Crunchy. Yeah, let's have one final bite here on this chicken. Definitely more our favorite. And I take my time, enjoy this very nice meal, see, walk around a little bit more. Really fun to get a bit of a China vibe, even if I'm in Indonesia. So if you come here, check this out. I think there are also other Chinatowns. But I'm gonna walk around here, probably show a little bit in the background. Really nice views here. But if you see more of this kind of stuff, me trying random stuff, let me know what you want to see. And if so, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.